Welcome, viewers. Today, we're diving into the incredible world of cardamom, a spice with a rich history and a plethora of health benefits. Stick around as we explore the top 10 reasons why incorporating cardamom into your daily routine can be a game changer for your well-being. 1. Improves digestive health. First up, cardamom, native to India, has been a go-to spice for digestive distress for centuries. It helps with indigestion, constipation, and bloating by boosting the secretion of digested juices like hydrochloric acid, aiding in the breakdown of proteins and promoting efficient waste movement through the system. 2. Helps with bad breath. Say goodbye to bad breath. Cardamom, described as a breath freshener in ancient Ayurveda, contains essential oils that combat bacteria causing bad breath. Adding cardamom to your routine can be as simple as infusing it into your tea or coffee. 3. Supports weight loss. Looking to shed some pounds? Cardamom might be your secret weapon. It suppresses appetite, making you feel full faster and boosts metabolism. Studies show it can increase levels of adiponectin, an anti-inflammatory hormone that aids in preventing obesity and diabetes. 4. Improves hair health. Cardamom isn't just a kitchen staple, it's a friend to your hair. Compounds like cineole and limonene stimulate the scalp, preventing hair loss and promoting growth. Cardamom tea can even prevent premature graying of hair. 5. May prevent acne. Banish those blemishes. Cardamom's antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties make it a valuable ally in preventing acne. Combining it with other herbs like cinnamon and fenugreek has shown promise in keeping acne at bay. 6. Helps lower blood pressure. Protect your heart with cardamom. It's been proven to lower blood pressure, reduce LDL cholesterol levels, and enhance glucose tolerance. The potassium and magnesium content relax your heart muscles, contributing to overall cardiovascular health. 7. May protect liver health. Your liver's best friend. Cardamom. It strengthens the body's defenses against toxins, potentially preventing liver damage caused by excess alcohol consumption or exposure to harmful substances in the environment. 8. Reduces inflammation. Chronic inflammation. Cardamom's got you covered. The cineole in cardamom acts as an anti-inflammatory, reducing pain and inflammation, making it a popular choice in creams and ointments for joint pain. 9. Increases airflow to the lungs. Breathe easy with cardamom. Its antioxidants and antispasmodic properties make it effective in treating respiratory problems like bronchitis and asthma. Inhaling cardamom through steam therapy may increase airflow to the lungs. 10. May prevent cancer. Last but not least, cardamom's potential in cancer prevention. Studies suggest it inhibits angiogenesis, the formation of new blood vessels crucial for tumor growth. Cardamom may play a role in preventing the growth of cancer cells. There you have it, 10 fantastic reasons to include cardamom in your daily routine. Remember, moderation is key, and it's always wise to consult with your healthcare professional, especially if you're on medication. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content. Your wellness is our mission. Thanks for watching.